Hey you guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So it's currently almost midnight on Monday the 9th and I am filming this so it can get up on the 10th for Transfer Tuesday and the 52-week challenge. Now this is also my second time filming this, so I'm literally just going to run through of what I did. And the reason why I'm filming it again is because I try to film it on Jared's camera, and when I was editing it and everything, there was an interference and it was like a staticky like noise that was coming through the video, so I couldn't use it. So now we are refilming it, so I'm just gonna run through it and show it to you guys. But before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below and let me know how you are doing on your Transfer Tuesday, or if you are doing your 52-week challenge, let me know how you're doing, because I would absolutely love to pick your brain, like how you do your things, how do you save money and everything, because I love figuring out different ways. Alright, so here we are on my Wells Fargo account, and this is my savings account. It currently has $1,000 and something, and if you are new, then that means that I put half of my bills, like my rent, my car payment, credit card bill, anything that is not due until the end of the month, then I transfer it to the savings account. So that's why I have $1,000. As you can see here, I did transfer $750. That is how much bills that I pay every 2 weeks, roughly. All right, so when I first but when I first did my video, I did go ahead, this might be too big, on the 9th, which is today when I'm filming this, but it's going to be on the 10th when you are watching it. I did put $5, and the reason why I put $5, I did explain, is that I do have a bachelorette trip coming up this week, and I think I only have, I don't even remember how much I have in my accounts right now. It is, let me just look, $87.45. So that is after I transfer $5. So that $87.45 is for the bachelorette trip, just in case I need to pay for my dinner or anything like that after I spend the special occasion sinking fund. So that is the reason. But we did transfer $5, so that is good news. At least it's something, right, you guys? All right, so I'm just going to move this out of the way. And as you can see on the 52-week challenge, we already colored in with the blue color instead of red. We colored $11. Now, I really don't know why I keep gravitating towards the left side. I think it's because it is smaller bills, and that's like kind of like a safety blanket. And I think it's just because it's easier for me. But I really do need to start knocking off these big bills. So I need to know, how do y'all start knocking off these big bills after you have to do the Transfer Tuesday, when you have to pay all your bills and stuff your sinking funds? How do you do it, you guys? I just need some motivation. So we are going to count how much we have. That this is after we did the $11. So 1, 50, 100, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. So we have $149 for this, for my 52-week challenge. And as you can see, this is what I started last week. So I've been writing down the amounts that I put. So week 11, the amount was $11, and we have $149. Now, I have seen a lot of people, I am a week ahead. So when I'm watching week 10, I am actually on week 11. So hopefully I don't have to use it. Now, if I am struggling one week and I am a week ahead, I can skip that week and I will be caught up still. But I'm going to try not to use it. I already used my dollar. I already filled in the dollar, and I really don't want to do that. I don't want to skip a week. So yeah, but anyways, so this is the 52-week challenge in the Transfer Tuesday. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and let me know if you are a newbie to my channel. If you are, welcome. My name is Shirley, and I want to get to know you guys, give me some advice on making my videos better. Let me know how you are saving or anything you want to talk about. I am here for you guys. And if you have a channel, let me know also, because I would love to go and support you guys. And I hope y'all have a great week, and I will see you guys later. Bye.